How to cancel Fabletics VIP membership 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for fabletics.com. That's the official website of Fabletics, and then you have to sign in on your Fabletics account. And after that, as you can see, there is a option called help and contact here. You just have to simply click on that, and after clicking on that, you have to scroll down and look for the contact us options from here, and you just simply have to click on here, and then you just need to call Fabletics customer care service and ask them to cancel Fabletics VIP membership of yours. So many people asks, why should I call the Fabletics customer care and why should I not cancel it on online? So if you want to try online, many people have faced a lot of problems canceling the VIP membership through online. So it's better to call the telephone number given on the Fabletics website. You can call to the customer center and tell them your problem and the reason you want to cancel the VIP membership, and they will review your problem and then they will just cancel the Fabletics member VIP membership of yours. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.